Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Have you ever met this issue? And you can't use iTunes to restore or update iPhone? This video is for you. Method 1. Check the USB connection. Try to use another USB port of your computer, or change the original Apple USB cable. Method 2. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. Open the TunesKit official website and download iOS System Recovery. iOS System Recovery can fix 150 plus iOS problems and get your device back to normal without data loss. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer. Next, choose iOS System Repair. Choose Apple Driver Error. Then click the Start button. Next, choose the Standard mode. Step 2. Ensure the given information is corresponding to your device. Then download the firmware package. Step 3. Repair iPhone. When the download is complete, click the Repair. The TunesKit iOS System Recovery will start to fix your iPhone. Method 3. Update or reinstall iTunes. Step 1. Open the iTunes and find the Help menu, where you can see the Check for Updates button. Step 2. Click the Check for Updates button, and iTunes will automatically check for later version. If there is a newer version, simply updating it. Method 4. Look for Apple official support. If the above methods can fix it, you can ask Apple customer service for assistance. It is even better should you have the warranty, since you can go straight to the Apple Store and ask for a new replacement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below.